Hi, my name is Bumanlag. I am a realtor. I also do fundraising for a number of organizations, including the Humane Society and Fight Like Mason locally. I'm also a podcaster here in Windsor, Essex County. So, our original house was a smaller wartime house in South Walkerville. My wife and I's first home. I spent the majority of the summer after we got married renovating the basement and making it into the ultimate sort of man cave, but also a place where my wife and I could enjoy a movie, stream a show. We had everything done to the way we both wanted it. That was the summer of 2017. If you remember, in 2017, we had that monumental flood right across Windsor with torrential rain. And I had just started a new job at that time. And I remember getting a phone call from my neighbor saying, my basement's flooded, you should come check out yours. And this was literally 2 weeks before I was ready to just officially have the basement done. I had a few decor things to put on the wall. I came home and we had 3 feet of dirty water in a brand new basement. So I was devastated. My wife was devastated. We were expecting our first son at the time. It was just a nightmare from start to finish. And I thought we had everything done in terms of the cosmetics, which we did, but we didn't take the time to make sure our sump pump and our flooding devices were up to par. Now that we're in our new home here in Amherstburg, I wanted to take the proper steps to make sure that my basement, before we even started with the renovations, was protected against any type of flooding. So we called advanced basement systems. So one of the major issues is, now that we've got this unfinished basement, I primarily work from home. I have my office down there. My son has his game room down there. My son and daughter have their toy room down there. We have our laundry room down there. So it's not 100% usable space yet. But we've got this situation where we've got the sump pump, and even though this is a relatively new home, we built it in 2018, everything's builder grade. It's not to saying it's not great, but it's not advanced basement quality grade. I knew instantly before we started the renovation process in the basement, I wanted to be proactive and protect my potential investment by investing a great sump pump and a great system. So I called Advanced Basement Systems. They came out instantaneously to give me an idea of what they could do, and we were extremely happy with the price and the value. Ben and his team came out. They installed a high-end sump pump and battery backup. So I know for peace of mind, especially for me and my wife, that we don't have that basement anxiety from what happened to us back in 2017. We know that we're protected with the best top-of-the-line equipment. The installation process was phenomenal from start to finish. So we're very happy with it. I cannot recommend Advanced Basement Systems enough. They are just fantastic from start to finish. The service is great, the product is great, and we're very, very happy to see the final result, knowing that we have peace of mind for our basement.